Hi guys! Hello! We're back!
We're back.
Another vlog again with Tanya. Now, I received this package today. So, as usual, unbox namin ito today. So, cut muna natin ang box. Gamit ng small knife para ma-open siya. This is from Benguet guys. Almost ano to siya, almost sobra 1 month siya na-stay doon kasi dinaanan sila ng bagyo sa Benguet. So, I hope these plants are okay. Kaya, titingnan natin ngayon ano ang kanyang mga itsura.
I'm
Unbox
excited.
natin. Isa-isa. We're so excited. Tanya is excited too. Ayan, yung laman ng box niya. Yung mga papers. Yan. Oh! Ang gaganda ng plants. May mga roots na. See?
Okay.
Yan. Yan, may mga roots na siya. Saka stay for 1 month doon sa Benguet.
Also this.
So, nagka-roots na ang kanyang stem. So, Tanya, unbox it now. Don't forget to flex it on the camera, okay? So that the people can see the plants. Flex it. Slowly lang.
Whoa. She's really.
So, yan. This is the first plant na unbox. So, as you can see, may mga mushy, pero it's normal kasi sa pag-travel niya. Okay. Kunin mo lang yung mga mushy leaves and dry leaves ng plant. Next.
Whoa. This has a lot of wrapping.
Yan.
It's
Plenty
gonna
of
take
tissue,
4
guys.
hours.
Kasi para ma-absorb yung kanyang mga moisture sa plants. When traveling kasi, kailangan safe ang plants. Kaya binabalot nila ng newspaper and tissue para hindi siya mabasa. Ayan. This is
Wow.
the other one. Oh. Pretty masyado.
And this one.
Ayan, guys.
Guapa
And then,
siya.
next Tanya. More
Okay,
Tanya.
so
More
I
to
feel
come.
like this.
More to
one.
come. More plants to come. And more unboxing to come.
Okay, so
Kaya
this
antayin
one is
nyo ang
big.
aming mga vlogs ni
It's
Tanya.
like a siopaw.
Yung next pala na i-unbox natin are cactus. So yan. Pretty masyado siya. Hindi ko na alam ang mga IDs guys. So bear with us na lang sa pag-unbox ng plants. It's too many.
Too many. This one
More
looks like
tissues.
really like
More
a
tissues to protect the plants, of course.
this one.
Yan. Oh, maganda ang pagkaano niya. Oh, air dry. Oh, masking 1 month siya nagstay. Almost 1 month siya nagstay sa
This
Benguet.
one looks like a lily pad flower.
Yeah. This is marble. Marble to super pretty. Oh, yan oh. Nag-roots na oh. Pink yung roots niya. Kaya healthy ang plants niya. Super.
Now I'm getting
Kahit
this
delayed
one.
ang shipment, pero okay masyado si seller sa pag-air dry ng kanyang mga plants. And sa pagpapak din oh. Super ang dami ng tissue guys.
Ooh,
Super
I
pretty
feel
ng
like
mga
we're
plants
gonna do
niya.
this for 2 hours.
Wala talagang mushy leaves, guys. And super healthy. So, itong page na ito or itong seller na ito is kung pumili kayo ng plants sa kanya is I guarantee you guys that this seller is very ang pag-handle na ng plants super pretty and super safe ang mga plants, walang damage. And nagro-roots na siya. Yan. So, these plants are stable.
Okay. So
Yan.
this one looks
What's that, Tanya? Show to them, Tanya.
this one
What's that?
really
Oh, it's so big.
and big.
So pretty, no? Yan, it's a twin head. I think it's agavoids. Yan.
It smells good. It smells good.
No, this is one for you. Now, try to wrap it quickly.
Unwrap it. Click, click, quick.
So, yun lang yung mga plants, guys. Yung mga beginner dyan sa pag-ano ng plants.
Okay.
Kasi yung succulents are very sensitive, pero meron din namang plants na hindi sensitive. So, rain or shine,
This
talagang nabubuhay sila.
And now I feel
Yan,
like
this one, so pretty. Agavoids pa rin.
and this one.
And this is the last one. So tiny. I'm gonna open it, guys, for you. Ayan. Oh, so pretty.
Feels so pretty, but
I
so
think it's
tiny.
red ives. Yeah, tiny na siya. Kasi, ano naman good siya, sa pag-air dry. So, parang nagsishrink siya. Pero, pag potted na to siya sa soil, so, time to time, gaganda din ito. Yan. Red ives. So, yun na yung last. Kay Tanya na lang. Open niya.
Whoa.
So, yan. Si Agavoids.
Wow. This one's gonna turn out pretty.
Pretty. Rubidona. So, pretty si Rubidona. And yan. This is Sweetie. Yan. This is Sweetie, guys. Oh, super pretty ni Tweety. Ni Sweetie. Tweety, sorry. Sweetie. Sweetie ang kanyang ID. Yan. Ito yung yellow. Pwede mo lang to siyang kunin. Yan. So, yun lang yung guys for this vlog. I hope you enjoy watching our vlog and see you on our next
Video.
upcoming videos. Bye!
Bye.